Hello, kindergartners. It is Mrs. Hoskin. It is Wednesday, June 3rd. Today, I have a Pete the Cat story that has to do with math. You might want to pause the video and go get a paper and a pencil to help you do your math. Okay, welcome back. Our story today is called Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons, written by Eric Litwood and art by James Dean, creator of Pete the Cat. I love Pete the Cat stories. All right, here we go. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his shirt so much, he sang this song. Let's count those buttons real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now he has a song. I'm going to want you to sing it with me. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? All right, mathematicians, how many buttons did we start with? 4. So let's draw 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what happened? Did we add some more or did some go away? You're right. It popped away. How many popped away? 1. So I'm going to cross mine off. You could also make a squiggly line making it look like it went away. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. You guys are great mathematicians. Should we keep reading to see if we were right? Let's see. 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. You guys did it just perfect. And look at Pete the Cat. There he is, and he only has 3 buttons on his shirt now. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept on, buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off his shirt and rolled away. How many buttons are left? All right, let's draw our picture. He had 3 this time. 1, 2, 3. Did we add some? Nope, it went away. So I'm going to make 1 button go away. How many are left? You're right, 2. We can write 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's see if we're right. 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. We're such great mathematicians. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. And look, he has his 2 buttons. What do you predict will happen next? Those are some great predictions. Let's see if you're right. Oh, there's an ice cream truck. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? All right, you go ahead and draw. I want you to draw it first this time. So we had 2. How many went away? How many are left? Let's see if we get the same answer. He had 2. 1 went away. How many are left? So I can write 2 minus 1 equals 1. Is that what you got? Let's see if that's what Pete got. 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Yes, we got it again. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my button, my one groovy button. I hope you were singing with me. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? Draw your picture and write your equation. All right, let's see if you got it. There was one button. It popped off. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Is that what you got? Let's see if Pete got it too. 0! 1 minus 1 equals 0. We did it again. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? What do you think? His belly button! Do you see his belly button? Do you have a belly button? Me too! And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. And he's thinking, it's all good. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. The end. Thank you for listening to the story today and doing some math with me, guys. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.